Hey everyone, welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy and I'm back with Miss Aria. And today we have a cute, fun hairstyle for you. It's going to be a knotted, well, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to call it yet. Like a knotted braid side swept into a ponytail on the side. You'll see the name of the video when you click on it. I'm just not sure what it's going to be yet. Quickly before we jump into the tutorial, I want to let you guys know that I just filmed my February 2018 Ipsy unbagging and try on. So if you're interested in that, I will have that video linked down below. That's on our beauty channel, ASK Beauty and More. So I will have that link down below for you guys. If you're interested, go check it out and subscribe to that channel as well. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family here on Sugar and Spice and over on ASK Beauty and More. Now without any further ado, let's jump right on into the video. Okay, so to start this style, you can part it on either side or in the middle. If you do part it on one side or the other, you'll want to start the braid on the side that has the most hair hanging down. Her hair is parted just slightly on this side, so I'm going to start over here. I'm just going to pick up a small section right at the part in her forehead, and I'm going to split it in half. Now I'm going to take the section from the back underneath the front section and then bring it right through the middle, just like you're tying a shoelace. Now what you're going to do is take the section in your right hand. If you started on the right side, you're going to take the section in the front underneath the other section and flip it. So you've just flipped the half knot there. Now you're going to combine these two sections, and then you're going to pick up a section, on a new section on the top, and you're going to do it the same way. You're going to take it underneath the front section and pull it through and tie it. Then take the front section underneath the back and flip that knot and combine those two sections. Then again, we're going to add in a section. You don't want to pull the hair, the knots, when you're doing the half knots, you don't want to pull too tightly because we want it to go spiral around the hair so we can do a side pony on the opposite side. So you don't want to get it too tight. So we're just going to continue this down and around till we get behind her ear on this side, and that's where we're going to stop the braid. So now we're just going to combine the hair that's left hanging down in with the braid, and we're going to secure it with a hair tie. And that's the finished style. So we hope you enjoyed this style. It's really cute and fun, and I think your young girls are going to love it. This would even be a cute style for your teenagers going to school. So if you did enjoy the video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. That would really help support our channel, and we would greatly appreciate that. And that's it for this one, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.